Come on into my kitchen and watch as I prepare barbecue grilled salmon with the sauce Dackta jerk sauce. Oh, yeah. Come on in and watch how I prepare this quick and easy wild Pacific salmon. Oh, yeah. These are the ingredients. Let's get into this video. Oh yes, I washed and cleaned the salmon. I'm going to spread out my aluminum foil, shiny side up. I'm going to dry the excess water off and lay the skin side on the olive oil grease side. I'm going to go ahead and put my seasonings that you guys saw my seasonings. I have lemon pepper seasoning, onion powder. I have some Thai fish sauce and some minced garlic, black pepper, a little bit of sea salt, and squeeze about a half of a lemon juice over the fish or salmon in this case. We're going to bake it at 375 for about 35 to 45 minutes. About 35 minutes into your baking, go ahead and check it, because the last 5 to 10 minutes we'll be adding the sauce Dackta. Oh yeah. And we will be baking it for additional 5 to 10 minutes once we put that on. And you guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. It is delightful. So we are going to take that tender piece of salmon and we're going to get that good old sauce Dackta slathered on that, and we're going to bake it like I told you earlier. We're going to bake it for another 5-10 minutes at 375 in the oven with no cover. And look at that glaze. Oh my goodness. Adrian Cooking and Food Review, thank you so much for this sauce, because it really upped the ante on this salmon. So you guys, go to my channel, watch us mukbang this thing. See what we thought about this sauce on this salmon. Oh yeah, baby.